I'm on, baby. I'm on. All right, yep, got him. There he is. Textbook, baby. I saw him kind of lock on it, and then just started working it away from him, and I just saw him jump on it. Not bad at all. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. I've got another fishing adventure for you guys. I'm out here on the Pensacola Bay here in Florida. Gorgeous morning, and as you can see, it's overcast. It's overcast, it's early morning, so the sun isn't high yet, and that makes for optimum time to throw a topwater. So I've got this Rapala skitter walk. It's kind of a mullet coloration, black back, silver sides. And I'm gonna start the day out with topwater, because what better way to start a fishing trip than with a massive explosion on topwater? Hit that subscribe button. We're about to smoke a bull red on this topwater. Let's go. If this is your first time to the channel, I just try to educate, share what I do to catch these fish. I'm out here after redfish and trout today. There's few places in this world that I'm more happy than on the water, and today is no different. I mean, look at this sunrise right here. Well, it's not early sunrise, but as you can see, sun's just getting up. What a picturesque morning to be on the water. Absolutely blessed. Let's go get a big red. Boom! There he is. Woohoo! Let's go. Nice. Fish on. Looks like a decent redfish. So I was making my way to a new spot, and I was just casting this on the way there. Second cast after I picked the rod up. We on, baby. Fish on. This is on that Rapala Shadow Wrap, Ghost Shiner color. Yeah, buddy. Let him ride, let him ride. Nice fish. He's probably a bull. He's giving me bull vibes now. Yeah. We on, baby, we on. I put some bigger hooks on this last night. I would not be able to put this pressure on with the stock Rapala Shadow Wrap hooks. So I'll tell you right now, throw some thicker hooks on there. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's fired up. We got a fighter on our hands. Looks like a bull. Dang. I'm on, baby. I'm on. That's what it's all about right here. Give him a little more drag. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man, you can't even see the lure. Piped it. That's a good fish, man. He's spicy. He's a fighter. I respect it. I respect his hustle here. Yeah, boy. Yeah. There we go. Woo! Let's go. First fish of the day right here. Come aboard, buddy. Oh, easy, easy. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. How you doing, sir? Woo! Solid red on the Rapala Shadow Wrap, right off the end of the docks, like I was talking about. Let's see what he measures out to. 29.5. red. They got to be 18 to 27 to keep, so if they're over 27, can't keep them. Nice bull. Very cool, very cool. There's a redfish. Okay, so I got a redfish down over here. I'm gonna throw this right off the edge of the dock. He did not react to that at all. I'm gonna throw the plastic at him. See if I can finesse the plastic up to him. I'm gonna give him plenty of space. It's really shallow. All right, yep, got him. There he is. Text book, baby. That is what I call text book. Let the paddle tail just kind of rest in front of him. Textbook. Oh, that is so rewarding. God, that's so good, man. Gave him plenty of space. Set the plastic down right, 3 feet in front of him, and the second it moved, I saw him just jump on it. Oof. That was awesome. On the 5-inch paddle tail. Oh man, that was too good. Just beyond satisfying on that hookup. All right. Man. As far as sight fishing goes, it just doesn't get any cleaner than that. I cast about 15 feet ahead of this guy and just waited for him to kind of get where I wanted him to be. Bounced it up about 3 feet in front of him. I saw him kind of lock on it, and then just started working it away from him, and I just saw him jump on it. Beautiful fish. This is on a Bad Shad Paddler by Z-Man. God, that is absolutely pinned too. He wasn't going anywhere. I got him like through the hardest part of his face. Bad Shad colored Z-Man Paddler right there, 1/4 ounce jig head. Pretty one. It's just ideal. Catching bull redfish is awesome because they're big, they fight harder. But when you can catch a few bulls and a slot red, man, doesn't get much better than that. Got some food for later. Super grateful for that fish. Always respect the fish when you kill them and harvest them. Yeah, very grateful. Thanks for joining me this far. If you've made it this far in the video, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. Let me know about your red fishing adventures. Are you into these fish? Have you ever caught them before? Is it a bucket list fish for you if you're not from here? They're a lot of fun, man. And sight fishing them like that, where you just set it up to watch the fish come eat, it doesn't get much better. The redfish right in front of me right here. Oh, he's turned on it. Boom, got him. That's the best ever, dude. When you're sight fishing them, oh man, it's glorious. It's glorious. Let's go. Oh man, doesn't get any better. Another one on the paddle tail. Especially when you cast back at him. I threw at that guy twice. I could just barely see him in there cruising down the coast. Great fish. Slot red. Not bad at all. First cast didn't quite get it in his wheelhouse, and the second one was just money. First cast didn't spook him either, which was key. There we go. Got him. All right. Redfish number 4. By way of the pinfish paddle tail here. Give me that back, dude. Awesome setup right there. They're digging the pinfish. Nice slot red. Look at him. Nice fish. Just under 24 inches. Just under 24 right there. Cool fish. Fun size. There he goes. He was ready to roll. He was fresh. Boom, fish on. Does not feel big. I feel like it's gonna be a trout. He's swimming at me. Yeah. Oh, what is that? It's a little redfish. Little baby red. Look at that. Look at this little baby. Look at this little baby redfish. That tickles me to death right there. Little pocket-sized red. You know why I like to see that is because it shows me that hookup ratio is going to be really good on that. Even though that hook is hidden, I just hooked this 12-inch redfish on it, and I like to see that. That's really cool. There's something special about the little tiny ones. Very cool fish. I'm actually tickled to death about that. I knew right when I hooked him it was either a trout or... Yeah, I was guessing trout. I was guessing like a smaller trout, actually. All right, same peace out to the little guy.